How to use search PCP in Taobao. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, open the Taobao application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, you want to go ahead and log into your Taobao account. So in order to use search PCP in Taobao, there are three ways. The first way is to go ahead and search in English. Simply type in PCP in Taobao search bar. And just like so, Taobao search algorithm will try to match your query to relevant products. Now next way is to simply search in Chinese. If you need to be more specific or use a Chinese term, translate PCP into Chinese using a translation tool like Google Translate, and just like so, copy and paste the translated Chinese term into Taobao search bar. And lastly, the third option is to go ahead and search by image. If you have a visual reference of PCP you're looking for, you can go ahead and use Taobao's image search feature. For that, tap on the camera icon right over here, and just like so, either take a picture or upload image from the gallery. Taobao will use AI to identify similar product based on the image. And that's how you do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.